Kren, Senior Editor of Metal-Forming Magazine here at FABTECH 2025 in Chicago with our 4 on the Floor video segment. With me today is Sostenes Hernandez, Business Development Manager for Quaker Houghton. And we're going to learn a little bit more about what Quaker Houghton has at the show and a little more about the company. And so we can start maybe, Sos, with some of the new products and technology that visitors will be seeing here at your booth.
Absolutely. So Quaker Houghton is fortunate enough to where we have everything from the front end to the back end, right? We control everything in between there. So with product knowledge or new products for us on the back end is our what we call zero discharge. So we've developed a process where we can offer the customers zero discharge for their entire surface finishing process. On the front side would be the lubricants. We have 2 new lubricants that are heavy-duty lubricants that were created to eliminate chlorinated chemistries. So we have those here, and we're showcasing both of those chemistries here today in this show.
Can you talk about the market factors that are impacting the adoption of your company's products?
Yeah, so Quaker Houghton is not immune to the costs of the world, right? Whether it's tariffs or whether it's economy, since we're not just national, we're international. A lot of that affects us. And then when we gather new customer base, it's also important to note that we need to gather those clearances or product knowledges or those proprietary things that we need to accomplish for those customers. So those are the little things that we need to accomplish with that and how those affect our company.
And Sos, could you tell me about aftermarket support and your efforts in that type of stuff?
So aftermarket, we've always done really well with trainings, but now we see that we need to improve on all that. So what we've come up with now is, aside from the training, the physical training that we go out and do in the facilities, we also now incorporate systems where the customer can now monitor their system with our training on the system. The customer can monitor those titrations with all those little things that they want to monitor. They don't have to go out on the floor anymore. They can do it from their office. They can do it from their telephone. And it just makes the world a lot easier for them and for us, where we can just pick up the phone and say, hey, I can see where you're off, monitor this or change that. And those are the improvements we've made.
Oh, okay. And one last question here. What's important for the finishing industry and powder coaters to know about your company's technology and history?
So history-wise, you can take Quaker, you can take Houghton, and together we have probably over 250 years of service in the industry. Also know that Quaker Houghton is protecting the planet. We're sourcing material, responsibly, and Quaker Houghton itself allows the employees to work with their communities and work with the customers to make the company better and to make the world a better place.
Okay. And with that, Metal-Forming's 4 on the Floor here at FABTECH 2025 with Sostenes Hernandez of Quaker Houghton.
Yes.
Thank you, so.
Thank you, guys.